G'day champions, going for a bit of a bushwalk today before the storms roll in. Hoping to get lost like last weekend. You may have seen on the community page I've posted that we've got memberships now, so if you want to shout me a coffee a month or a beer or something like that, just support the channel, justify my time spent on it, please. Feel free. Now, there's still going to be regular public content as well, but I'm going to try and keep that short and sweet, you know, like 15-minute videos, that kind of thing. Pretty straight to the point, whereas the membership stuff might be a little bit more in-depth. Maybe share a few secrets on there, my little techniques and whatever. We'll also have some exclusive stuff like members only live streams, long format videos, start to finish repairs, that kind of thing. The stuff that the general public doesn't tend to have the attention span for. And you'll also get at lower tiers some sneak previews. If I do a multi-part video, I'll give you early access to every part of it as I upload it, whereas in the future multi-part videos I'll hold off on releasing any of them until they're all in the can, as they say. So I'm out here at the local lookout. I'm going to try and get some video or photos of storms, maybe some lightning shots today. Blue Mountains, New South Wales. What a place to live. So if you've got any suggestions for perks that you'd like to see for each membership level, let me know. So I hope to see you in the members room, the VIP room. Until then, champions, rock on.